All right. Let's see what happens. If we rip off of market open and we just keep pumping, I'm going to throw my face through the computer. What up, D-Blicky? Rapunzel.
You like them?
I haven't worn them yet, okay? I need to figure out how to work them.
Maybe I should disconnect my phone.
Yeah, maybe you should disconnect your phone. Good morning, good morning. Is your phone still connected?
No, my other phone.
The other phone? Allow new connections. Rapunzel. If we pump all day without me, I'm gonna throw a fit like a little girl. Do these even work? What up, J. Cole? What are these called? Sony?
Probably.
Oh, Rapunzel. Nice.
Okay.
She's fine. What are my luck with headphones?
No, I can make sure this connects as well. It might be WH1000XM5.
I ain't getting none of that.
Well, it's because mine's working.
Disconnect phone.
See though? That's what you're looking for.
Press forget.
Forget device.
These are mine now.
Go ahead.
The wife gets the Apple headphones. I get Sony headphones. How do you do the Bluetooth pairing? The market's about open.
You did this, right? It wasn't connected?
No. Yeah, the bullet was connected to the freaking doll.
I think that's part of it.
No, just put it on there. Just throw in a bullet. Oh, Rapunzel. I'm getting a True Audio CPS SB. Is that it?
What?
Let's give it a shot. Whoop.
It should be the WH something.
WHOOP? Sounds like a whoop band. Pairing took too long. Make sure your whoop is turned on. My whoop is on. I gotta focus here, whoop. No.
It should be WH1000, not.
Yeah, I think I connected to somebody's whoop, man. Scared the shit out of me, actually. Fucking pissed me off. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, are we going to dump? Alright, no headphones for Mastro. I don't need headphones. Alright, ladies, can we get a damn setup today? Can somebody call Trump and say, just to give us some leeway to the upside? Identify what we can do here? We're coming into this 15-minute gap. No, I don't need them. Red Rudolph, I ain't made it down. Wing Wong, you jamming out this morning? What is that, Wing Wong? Is that a dude on top of a dude? Or is that a lady? Grammy's gotta make it down. I'm going to see if we're going to form a 5-minute S&T off this 5-minute low right here. That's what I want to see. We broke back down to the downside in the 5-minute time frame, but we're filling in this 15-minute gap, and we're probably going to bumpy. If we inverse this gap, how many points is this going to be? Yeah, 1,000 points. Gajillion million. Let's keep in mind, ES has already taken out New York and London session highs. Keep that in mind. Oh. You know what? I've got a bigger question here. I got an idea. Anybody got Truth Social? I'm going to go to Truth Social. Let's see if that 8 a.m. open, Trump tweeted something. He didn't. No, you're right. You're right. I'm not going to get my panties in a twist yet because, again, we could want this daily low. But I also want to see the 10 a.m. candle closure if we can. If we can get the opportunity to do that. We didn't form a 5-minute SMT. We're in this 15-minute gap. Where's equilibrium of this range? Right around the 50% level, that 15-minute fair value gap. So let's pay attention to that too. We gotta remember, we formed an SMT, 15-minute SMT off of those London session highs also. Go to the hourly time frame. London session highs are right here above this high. Tundra, what do you got? I saw a school bus the other day. Kids are in school. I couldn't imagine being in school right now. You guys, any of you guys still in school? College? I'm talking about like high school. Imagine having to go to high school right now. Yes, he's respecting his 4-hour gap. I talked about that in the daily bias. Look at this shit. How many people you think went long this morning? Right off market open. Wow. NQ with the dumper. Just stop. Now we got him to work. Headphones, check. Let's see how these babies sound. Look at this, guys. We might form that hourly SMT. And then NASDAQ will be the leading index to the downside to that. No, it won't actually. Yes, is the leading index. Let's see if we can get consolidation, expansion, reversal. That's what we're going to look for here. If we end up... Oh, let's see, man. We've got 2 minutes until this candle closure. How are we looking on that 4 hour? 15 minutes on that 4 hour candle. Oh, my Tradeify's glitching out. Anybody else's? That was weird. It was like glitching black. Like it would go out and then go back in a couple times. Stop now. Imagine entered me in on every single account and blew all my accounts. I would be, I'd turn that whole. This has me interested right here. This has me interested right here. We're respecting equilibrium of this range, respecting a fair value gap here on the 5-minute time frame. But the only thing I would be anticipating this hourly SMT. A little bit of a front run if I did. But what I'm paying attention to is this 4-hour gap. Are we rejecting because we just want to respect this 4-hour gap a little bit and then continue higher? Could be a possibility. Or do we want to come down and take out this daily low on NASDAQ, which would make me think that ES would come down and take out this London session / 4-hour low. Broke back to the downside on the 1. NASDAQ's respecting this. Yeah, look at this shit. Damn, look at that stop though, guys. 100 points. Wow. No way. I'm gonna stay patient here. I'm not in yet. I'm not in yet. You're joking, dog. Yeah, I know. We were looking right for it too, Wing Wong. Hold on, let's see. Let's see. Consolidation, expansion, reversal, continue. That's what I'm going to look for. Let's see. Hold on. I don't want to take it on the lagging index to the downside. I wanted to be in on NASDAQ, but I wanted to target this daily low. We broke to the upside. This candle was too big to take an entry here. Stop would have had to been above this high. This would have been break even, but... And then we would have let it run here. I'm focusing on that daily low, man. As of now. Oh my God! I'm staying patient here. I'm not going to take this on the lagging index to the downside yet. For me to take this on ES and target this 4-hour low, I want to see that NASDAQ wants to continue to this daily low. See if we want to continue lower, because if we think about it, all these people who went long here on this move higher, they would have their stop loss between here or here. Let's see if NASDAQ wanted to come down, stop these people out. ES could be the leading index to the upside. We could target Asian session, New York, 4-hour, and daily above. Oh, that's a stretch, though. Hold on. I'm going to mark these out. Let's see what happens off this low. If NASDAQ looks like it wants to continue through this low, then we could talk about what we want to do from there. Let's see, though. Because ES is still respecting this 15-minute. We're still respecting overall bullish market structure. We'll have relative equal highs here too, kind of, in the 15-minute time frame. You know, all these. I'm going to mark out this 5-minute fair value gap right here on NASDAQ. We'll see if we end up respecting it. This is where you'd want to see price continue lower. I'm going to pay attention to ES here on this. This hourly candle closes in 3 minutes and 20 seconds either. See if we break structure back to the downside on NASDAQ. ES looks like she wants to come higher. Let's do this. We can mark out this 5-minute high here. Let's mark this out. 5-minute. Where's that 5-minute high over here on NASDAQ? It's up here. All right, we'll mark this out. Let's see if we can form an SMT off of that, and we'll see if ES breaks structure to the upside. And then we'll pay attention to this hourly. We have 2 minutes and 50 seconds left. See if 10 a.m. wants to continue lower to this daily low. Still got plenty of room to this daily low. Still 240 points. All right, let's see this candle closure here, guys. I'm going to wait till 10 a.m. candle closure right here. I got 50 seconds before I do anything. That'll be an hourly SMT form too, also off that London session high. Off this high. Right here. Let's see if we want to break on NASDAQ though. This is going to be an hourly high. Oh my god. Alright, broke structure to downside on NASDAQ in the hourly time frame. Let's see what happens here. Interesting again, because now fucking both indexes are not correlated with each other. But this is making me think NASDAQ wants to continue lower. Come on, TradingView, what the fuck we doing here, dog? Come on. Really? Don't be doing this shit now. Oh my god. You're joking. You're joking. You're joking, dog. That's funny. Right at 10 a.m. So we formed an hourly high at the 10 a.m. candle close. We broke structure to the downside on NASDAQ. We're still respecting the 15-minute gap on ES. I think we might want to dump still. See if we break back to the downside here on the 1 minute. Let's see what happens. I'm waiting here. I'm staying patient because we are sweeping out 4-hour low / London session low. And the market, both markets are uncorrelated a little, so let's see. We might get it to the downside. I'm staying patient though. Emotions, money, emotions. We did form this 15-minute gap up here too, which I don't like. But let's hold on. Let's wait and see. I'm gonna stay patient here. Got equal lows on NASDAQ. It's a 74-point stop, so that's still a good amount with 1 micro. 74 times 2, it's 148 per account. But if full TP played out and we held it, 212. 212 times 2, it's 424 per account. It'd be a $4,000 day if it happens. But let's see. ES is showing me she wants to continue higher still. That's why I'm staying patient with this. We did form equal lows though over here on NASDAQ, which is making me think we're going to want to come back up and then dump down. I'm going to X this idea out for now. Still valid. We have this gap right here. Let's see if we disrespect it and break back to the upside. And we still didn't break to the downside. Excuse me. Let's see if we still respect this gap. Yeah, see, this is going to be interesting. If we can get a nice bearish candle closure at equilibrium and still respect this gap and break structure to the downside past those equal lows, I'll be interested. I'll be interested. But we also got to pay attention to this 5-minute high here now. If we can get that reaction we're looking for, this could be a protected 5-minute high. Entry would be somewhere here. Stop would be above this 5-minute high. And then I'd let it run all the way here. Just going to stay patient though here. It's not enough for me. I need to see a break of structure to the downside. We respected equilibrium and respected this 1-minute gap, but I need to see a break of structure. I need the 1 minute to align with everything else. Hopefully we don't get a giant candle here. Let's see. I'm waiting for that confirmation. Could have a good break even level too below this low. Let's see this candle closure. See if we break structure, we come back up just to sweep out those 1-minute lows. Waiting for confirmation here. I'm not pulling the trigger yet until I see this candle closure. We could just want to sweep these lows and continue higher. Fake people to the downside. Still not entering off of that. Still waiting. Still waiting. Need to see that break of structure. See if confirmation prevents us from taking a loss here. Because ES still looks like she wants to continue higher. Alright, we got it. I'm going in on NASDAQ.
Order filled.
Let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see if we get stopped out or not. Let's see if we can get this runner down all the way down to that low. We want to go straight through this low. I'll be confident if we do. Confirmation aligned though. Find out. Gonna have my stop loss at 230. Let's see if we could get a continuation to the downside. Can we get a continuation? One micro too. I'm holding all the way if we can get it. Let's see if we get spoofed here. $242 would be my take profit. I haven't said it yet. This could be a potential break even if we want it. But it is a little close. I'd probably reduce risk to like this high for 62 points if it happens. But that is a good break even level. Let's see if we can get a continuation to the downside here, guys. 2941. I'm going to have it at 4.4. See if we can get a nice continuation to the downside here today. That would be awesome if we could. We want to break below that low. We don't want to respect this low here. Don't want to sweep it either and continue higher. We want a nice candle closure below it. All right, I'm going to reduce risk above this high at 506. Reducing risk. If price wants to continue here, we should not come back above this high. Yeah, I'm going to hold this trade too. I'm going to hold it. I'm completely holding to that daily low. No partials, nothing, because we're in one micro. Can we get one? Can we get a W today? We'll find out. Can we get a clean continuation to the downside? Or do you want to pipe us? It's looking good right now. Anybody in this or no? Uh-oh, you're in with me? Ruh-roh. See if we can hold this low, guys. We want to stay below this low. We got a 1 minute gap here. It could protect us. We're on the leading index with the hourly S&T also. We broke structure to the downside in the hourly time frame at 10 a.m. We have a higher time frame draw down below. Can we get a full runner here? It'd be a 202 point trade. What are we risking right now? 61 points? What's 61 times 1 micro? It's not that bad if this ends up not playing out. 61 times 2. All right, we're risking 122 per account, so 1.2K. Come on, baby. Do it for us once. Do it for us once. Let's get a nice trade. Just respect overall bearish market structure and keep creating lower lows and lower highs. And it'll be amazing. Regardless, I like this trade. Wing Wong, we need goats. We need goats, Wing Wong. Get the meat cleaver out. Start chopping heads, brother. Did you? I hope so. See, this is the hardest part of trading, guys. This is what you can't teach. Holding, managing. That's the hard part. Come on, NQ. Just give us one clean day right now. Don't be doing no weird shit. What I don't like is we swept out this low right here. I don't want to form a 5-minute S&T off that low. Oh my lordy. We broke back to the upside on the 1 minute. Let's see if we can come back down. This was move my stop loss. Oh my God. Are you joking? Are you joking? Ay vey. See if we stop people out at break even who went break even underneath this low and continue lower. See if that can happen here. See if that can happen here. Ay vey, guys. Let's see. See if this can happen here. Where respecting that 1 minute gap. See if we can push through it. Look at ES, dog. Look at ES. ES is above this 5 minute high. Come on, NASDAQ. Do it for us once. Big Drake candle to the downside here. Break structure, inverse fair value gap. Continue below that low. Let's go. This could be a nice break-even level now, guys, if we come below this. We could move our stop loss above this most recent high if it happens. Let's see if we stop people out at break-even here. Break even and run. Break even and run. It ain't over yet, Wing Wong. We could pump here. We're touching equilibrium in that range. Yeah, we're touching equilibrium of this range. We formed a 5 minute SMT too from this low. We formed a 5 minute SMT from this low. See if she can hold, guys. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. 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 What the fuck? Let's not get excited too yet here, guys. I'm not liking how this is looking right now with this shit, with these candles like that. You got a volume imbalance right here. You want to respect this. This is nuts, man. This is nuts. Excuse me. As soon as we enter, right? Just freaking. Can we respect equilibrium of this range now? How about that? Nice big bearish candle closure out of this, please. Bless you. How's everybody doing? How we doing? Vibing? Alright, I like it. I like it. We're holding, right? Are we holding? We're holding. We're holding. Is that even a question? We're holding. Oh my god, it's about to be 10:32, guys. 10:30 is a reversal zone. How much are we risking so I can just eat the bullet, just so I know? 61 times 2, 122 per account, 1.2K. In through the mouth, out through the ass. In through the mouth, out to the ass. In through the mouth. Exactly, Lingwan. Out through the ass. This is incredible. Ay, ay, ay. This is incredible, guys. This is crazy. Wow. Wow. Ay, ay, ay. Sometimes I hate trading, to be honest with you. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out here, guys. Yeah, we're coming for it. $34 seconds, about to break structure on the 5-minute, it looks like. That's incredible. That's fucking incredible, dude. Like, what is this shit? It's incredible. Ay, ay, ay. Broke structure in a 5. I'm gonna be one and done today, guys, when we get stopped. Looked good for a second, man. Really did. Trading will piss you the fuck off sometimes, man. It really will. Getting murdered in August.
Stop filled.
Fuck this shit, dog. Some bum shit, dog. That'll piss you off. That'll piss you the fuck off. Trading pisses me off, man, J. Cole. This stupid shit. Alright, these accounts are at 1,500 drawdown. Nice. Nice. $144 per account for me, guys. I'm down $5,000 in a month. Alright, well, that's going to be it for me today. That one pisses me off a little bit, to be honest. 4 trade losing streak for my ass. But I'm going to get off so I don't do anything stupid. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm getting fucked. Ay, ay, ay. How do we not continue lower there, dude? This ES is dumbass. Just respecting this 15-minute the whole time and gonna really continue higher. It's crazy. I like that trade though still, man. Hourly SMT gets formed. No hourly gap on ES. Hourly SMT from literally this high. Hourly SMT, we're on the leading index. We were bearish in the fucking 5-minute, 15-minute, hourly, 4-hour. Everything. We waited patiently. We came into a 5-minute gap. We waited for our confirmation. We broke below that 4-hour low. We have a daily low below. It's incredible. It's incredible. It's incredible. And then we're just gonna pump higher, right? All right, guys, I'm gonna end it there. Yeah, me too. Me too. And we broke back to the upside with this 5-minute gap here, but we're in a giant 30-minute fair value gap. Only thing I can see it really playing out is on ES. We broke structure on the 5-minute here. Where is it? Right here. Broke structure on the 5-minute. Could have scaled down 1-minute time frame. I mean, I don't even like that candle closure. Entry. I wouldn't even enter off that, to be honest with you. All right, bruvs. I think that's gonna be it for me. I do have a 2 trade rule, but wow, that was looking so good. We've been here before. My group 2 account has $1,571 of drawdown. The other group still has $2,100, so that's why I alternate groups, because again, we have other groups that are still in a good position. But, shit. Alright, Wing Wong, D Blicky. I'll get this posted up on YouTube. I posted my loss in the wins and losses section, or the daily results. Gonna be transparent like always. That one kind of pissed me off today, though. To be totally honest with you. But 4 trade losing streak. You can see it YouTube. I don't count this day as a losing, this part as a losing, because I had to enter on these accounts, or else they would have been shut down. I would have just taken 1 trade this day. But you can see I'm getting butt fucked. So, all right, guys. Peace out, Wing Wong. Peace out, D Blicky. Peace out, Kickstream.